Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Chill English channel. I'm Sophia.
And I'm Jake. It's great to have you with us again.
Today's episode is going to be really fun and super useful for real life.
Yes, we're talking about how to start a conversation with strangers in English.
Exactly. You know those moments when you meet someone new, maybe at a cafe, a party, or even on the bus, and you want to say something, but you're not sure how?
Oh yeah, we've all been there. You want to be friendly, but your brain suddenly forgets every English word you know.
Yes, that's so true. But don't worry, today we'll show you simple, natural ways to start conversations in English.
And the best part? You can use these phrases anywhere: school, work, travel, or social events.
Before we begin, if you enjoy learning English with us, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this episode with your friends.
Yes, your support helps our channel grow and keeps us motivated to make more fun lessons for you.
All right, Jake, let's start with the basics. What's one of the easiest ways to start a conversation with someone you don't know?
Great question. The easiest way is to say something simple, like hi or hello. Just start with a friendly greeting and a smile.
That's perfect. And you can add something like, how are you? Or how's your day going? It's a great icebreaker.
Right. And if you're in a casual place, you can also say, hey, what's up? That's very friendly and modern.
True. What's up? Or how's it going? Sounds relaxed. Perfect for talking to someone new in a casual situation.
But here's something important. Your tone and body language matter just as much as your words.
Absolutely. A smile makes a big difference. Even a simple hi with a smile feels warm and friendly.
Let's give an example.
Sure.
Hi, how's it going?
Oh, hi. Good, thanks. How about you?
Pretty good, thanks.
See? That's a real natural start. Easy, short, and friendly.
Exactly. Now, another way to start a conversation is by talking about your surroundings.
Yes. For example, if you're waiting in line, you can say, this line is long, isn't it? Or, I didn't expect it to be so busy today.
That's a good one. It's called small talk, short, friendly conversation about simple things around you.
Small talk helps you connect without jumping into deep topics right away.
Right. You can also talk about the weather. Everyone loves talking about the weather.
That's true. You can say, it's such a nice day today, or, wow, it's really cold, isn't it?
And most people will answer, yeah, it's freezing, or yes, finally some sunshine. Then the conversation continues naturally.
Weather is the universal topic. It works anywhere in the world.
Another great topic is compliments.
Oh, yes. Compliments are powerful. You can say, I like your jacket, or that's a cool bag.
Exactly. It's friendly and shows interest. Just keep it simple and genuine.
People love positive energy. A kind comment can open the door to a great conversation.
Let's do a quick example with a compliment.
Sure.
Hey, I like your shoes.
Oh, thank you. I just got them last week.
Nice. Where did you buy them?
At the new shop downtown. They have great discounts.
See how easy that is? Just one compliment can start a full conversation.
Exactly. And it feels natural, not forced.
So, to recap, greetings, small talk, and compliments are 3 easy ways to start a conversation with strangers.
That's right. And remember, don't worry about being perfect. What matters most is being friendly and confident.
Totally agree. People respond to kindness and confidence, not grammar.
That's a great reminder, Jake. Okay, next we'll talk about how to keep the conversation going after you say hello.
Oh yes, because starting is just the first step. You don't want the conversation to stop right after hi.
Exactly. So stay with us. In the next part, we'll learn simple ways to continue talking naturally. So, now that you know how to start a conversation, let's talk about how to keep it going.
Yeah, this is the part where most learners get stuck. You say hi, the person replies, and then silence.
Yes, that awkward silence we all know. But don't worry, we'll show you how to avoid that.
The key is to ask simple follow-up questions. They help show interest and keep the other person talking.
Exactly. For example, if someone says, "I'm from Canada," you can reply, "Oh, really? Which part of Canada?"
Or if someone says, I work at a restaurant, you can ask, that's cool. What kind of restaurant?
Those little questions make the conversation flow naturally. They show you're curious and friendly.
And they don't have to be deep questions, just small, open ones like, do you like it? Or how long have you done that?
Let's do a short example so our listeners can hear it in action.
Great idea.
Hey, how is your day going?
Pretty good. Just finished work.
Nice. What do you do?
I work in a cafe downtown.
Oh, really? That sounds fun. Do you like working there?
Yeah, I do. The people are nice and the coffee smells amazing.
Perfect. That's a natural mini conversation. It feels relaxed, friendly, and easy to follow.
See? You don't need complicated grammar or big words. You just need curiosity and good energy.
Totally agree. Another trick is to share a little about yourself after asking a question.
Yes. Like if someone says, I like hiking, you can reply, oh, me too. I went hiking last weekend.
That's called connecting, finding something in common.
It makes people feel comfortable because they realize you have shared interests.
Exactly. Let's give another example.
Hey, do you like music?
Yeah, I love it. I listen to pop most of the time.
Nice. I'm more into rock, but I like pop too.
See? Now you're exchanging ideas and creating a friendly chat.
The conversation feels alive because both people are adding something.
Right. That's what communication is all about. Not just answering, but sharing.
Here's another important tip. Use reaction words to show you're listening.
Oh, yes. Things like, really? Wow, that's cool. Or, no way.
Exactly. Those small reactions make your English sound more natural and emotional.
They also help you sound interested, even if your English level is simple.
Let's demonstrate.
I met my favorite singer last week.
Really? Wow, that's awesome. Where did you meet them?
At a music festival.
No way. That must have been so exciting.
Perfect example. You see how the little reaction words make the talk feel real?
Yeah. Without them, it sounds robotic, like a textbook.
And nobody wants to sound like a robot when talking to people.
Definitely not. Another easy way to keep the chat going is to ask about the other person's opinions.
True. People love sharing opinions. You can ask, what do you think about it? Or, do you like it?
That's a good one. For example,
I just watched a new movie last night.
oh, really? What movie?
It was the new superhero one.
Cool. Did you like it?
Yeah, it was pretty fun.
See, one small question keeps the talk alive.
Exactly. The conversation can grow naturally from one short answer.
So, to summarize this part, to keep a conversation going, ask simple follow-up questions. React with interest. Use, wow, really? Or, that's cool. Share something about yourself. Ask about opinions.
Perfect summary. And remember, you don't have to be perfect, just friendly and interested.
That's right. Confidence is more important than vocabulary.
Couldn't agree more. Okay, in the next part, we'll talk about how to end a conversation politely and naturally.
Yes, because sometimes you need to go, but you don't want to sound rude.
Exactly. Let's learn how to say goodbye like a native speaker, in a friendly way. All right. So far, we've talked about how to start a conversation and how to keep it going.
Yep. Now it's time for the last part. how to end a conversation politely.
Right. Sometimes you need to go, or maybe the chat is slowing down. You don't want to be rude, but you also don't want to stay forever.
Exactly. And in English, there are lots of nice, natural ways to say goodbye.
Let's start with something simple. You can say, "It was nice talking to you."
That's a classic. It's friendly and polite. You can also add, I have to go now, or I should get going.
Yes, for example, "It was nice talking to you, but I have to get back to work."
Or, it was great meeting you. Hope to see you again soon.
Those sound natural and positive. It's like closing the chat with a smile.
Another easy one is, anyway, I should go now, or I'll let you go. These sound casual but polite.
That's true. Native speakers use them all the time when they end small talk.
Let's act out a quick example.
Sure.
So yeah, it was nice chatting with you.
You too. I should get going, but maybe we'll talk again sometime.
Definitely. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too.
Perfect. Short, polite, and friendly.
That's the perfect way to finish a short English conversation with a stranger.
Another good trick is to end with a positive comment. Something like, it was fun talking to you, or I really enjoyed our chat.
That makes the other person feel good, and it leaves a nice final impression.
Right. And if you met the person at an event or a cafe, you can add something like, enjoy the rest of your day, or have fun at the party.
That sounds friendly and natural.
Also, don't forget about body language. Smile, make eye contact, and maybe wave when you leave.
Yes, words are important, but your attitude and tone are what people remember most.
100%. A warm tone can make even a short chat feel genuine.
Let's quickly review everything we learned today.
Okay. Step 1, start the conversation. Say hello, use small talk, or give a simple compliment.
Step 2, keep the conversation going. Ask follow-up questions, react with, "Wow," or "That's cool," and share a little about yourself.
Step 3, end the conversation politely. Use phrases like, it was nice talking to you, or I should get going.
Perfect summary. If you follow these 3 steps, you'll sound confident and friendly in English, even with strangers.
Totally. And remember, making mistakes is okay. People appreciate the effort, not perfection.
That's so true. Every conversation you try makes your English better.
Exactly. English is not just grammar. It's about connection.
Beautifully said, Jake.
Thanks, Sophia.
All right, now it's time for our listener challenge.
Yes. Here's your challenge. This week, try to start one short conversation in English with anyone.
It could be someone at a cafe, your classmate, a coworker, or even an online friend.
Just say hello, ask a small question, and practice one of the phrases from today's episode.
Exactly. Don't worry about mistakes. Just focus on smiling and being friendly.
And if you want, tell us how it went in the comments or on social media. We'd love to hear your story.
That's right. Your stories inspire other learners too.
Before we finish, let's give a quick bonus tip.
Ooh, I like bonus tips.
If you're nervous about talking to strangers, practice in front of a mirror.
Yes, look at your expression, practice your smile, and say the lines out loud.
You'll feel more confident and sound smoother when you speak for real.
That's an awesome tip. Confidence grows with practice, not perfection.
Exactly. So go out there and start chatting. You never know what great conversations you'll have.
Well said. That's all for today's episode of the Chill English channel.
If you like this lesson, remember to subscribe, like, and share it with a friend who's learning English.
Yes, and join us next time. We'll talk about how to order coffee like a native speaker.
Oh, that's going to be fun.
Definitely. Until then, keep learning, stay confident, and stay chill.
Bye, everyone.
Bye!